just sit back and count out 100 breaths. Don't hyperventilate though.
I think I'm gonna die. Well, this is a different kind of kui now, guinea pig. That's definitely the little paw there. You can see that as a guinea pig. And there's Lord way over there on the other side of this massive waterfall. Look at that, all the way up. And yes, we are the first gringos ever to come on this road by bicycle. Attack! Where these orphans are housed, 3 hours into the jungle. Grinding up the mountain here to Ticlio, the highest paved road in the world. It's A10. Already done it once, now we're doing it the other way. At 13,000 feet. And I feel like sleepy and short of breath. It's really tough. Kind of hard to steer at this kind of speed. We got some great scenery here at 14,600 feet. Oh, we made it!